Alright guys, welcome back to another recap. Today is going to be a fast and quick one since today was kind of choppy. I was able to get green. Hopefully you guys had a good weekend, good holiday 3-day weekend. But Monday today, so let's get right back into it. For those of you guys that are new, I stream live every single morning, 15 minutes before market opens. You guys can come in, and there was a couple plays even before market open that I called out, and they actually ended up working exactly like I wanted to on SPY and on Tesla, and was able to get myself a nice green day here today. So the overall profit is going to be 1,400 on the day, first day of the week. Like I said, I stream free. You guys can see me stream free. You guys can see my trades. I'm also going to start posting them on. They're always been posted, but they're now going to be posted on my YouTube, and I am going to be starting to make them only for members. So if you guys want to see my whole trades, you guys are going to have to become members of my YouTube channel to see that. Other than that, you guys are going to have to tune in live and watch them and trade alongside with me. Trades today. Also, another thing is this is my biggest green streak that I've ever had. So the last red day that I had was February 24th. And so from the 27th of February, all green month last month, and then April, 5 days green right now. I'm sitting on 29 days green. This has been my longest ever. The one before that was January here, where I had this red day on the 30th, but started end of December of 2022. So 29 days green is just absolutely incredible. 4 days red in 4 months right now, 3 months in a week. So that's pretty crazy. So the total profit for today is $1,400, almost $1,500. Um, and honestly, I think I did pretty good for the amount of trades that I took, for the quality of trades that I took. I think the profit is a lot better than it should have been, because I stopped trading already after, I think I stopped trading somewhere around here. And so I'm missing all of this right now where it's just straight up grinding higher and higher, but basically made $1,400 off of this. And even better, I think I really only made it out of the choppiness between here. So this right here, because this thing dropped down in the morning, I was able to chase it a little bit, and I think I got that first trade to be like a $360 trade, which was a short here to follow down. The 176 level was one that I called out this morning on Tesla. I could see it drop down to 176 before market open, and then this thing actually bottomed out at 176. And then on SPY, before market open, I did mention a bounce of 406. So if SPY was to drop down to 406, I could see a bounce there, and it did exactly that. I took one short here. I took another one. So here's going to be my trade so you guys can see them as well, and you guys can check them out. So you guys can pause it and see if you guys want to go through each individual trade, which is going to be hard, but this will show you exactly when when I stopped trading. So yeah, right around 9:38. So I only traded an hour today, and I made $1,400, so that's pretty good. So that first trade there was about a $360 winner, which was this one, and then I actually added short again, but this was kind of a low day breakout. Didn't quite get it. 700 shares short there. And if I would have gone that move there, that would have been a nice win. But I ended up closing it almost at a break-even trade, exactly break-even trade. So 77.83.5, 77.83.5. So break-even trade there. And through all of this move here, I was kind of, Tesla does its own thing. NQ and SPY were doing the complete opposite again. And so here, Tesla was pushing up, and then I looked over and SPY was flushing, NQ was hitting lower days, and I would try to take a short according to that, and then this thing would just rip on your face. And it sometimes does that, and sometimes it trades just like the NQ and just like the SPY. So, and sometimes it's both, on the same day. If they all flush, they flush, and then eventually Tesla does the opposite. So it's very hard to trade Tesla. Anyways, I was kind of looking for, kind of short here, and then once I got squeezed, and I'm kind of looking for a long. I did catch, I think, this short here, but didn't quite get it at the very top. I really thought we were now recovering this. I thought we were going to go for another leg. The biggest trade of the day, so around here, I was getting myself 300, 400, 500 was the most I was up, and then boom, back down to 200, and then again, back up to 500, and then boom, back down to 100. I think the least I might have brought it down was like maybe 150 or maybe even less. But got a very nice short through here that got me in nice on the day, maybe $200, $300, $400 again, maybe 500 I think. And then right after that, I took a very nice trade here where I sidestepped on this trade. I followed it up nicely and was able to catch this move here. And that's the first trade that, even though I was making green trades through here and red trades, I never got up over $500 on the day, realized. And so this trade here was the first one where it finally put me up over $1,000 on the day just on that trade. And then after that, I honestly wasn't trying to make much money. I got very lucky, which is why I said I traded very cleanly, because there was a lot of trades through here where I was like, you know what, I dropped down my share size a lot. So if you guys can see on this trade here, I probably took 700 shares or 1,000, so 500, 500. And then after that, I was trading 300, 300, 300, 300, 200. This was a test for the stream, but I traded very cleanly after that. And I think all of these trades here that I was taking with 300 shares, I was literally looking to catch very small moves, very small pops, and somehow it was like, oh, I just made another $100. Oh my God, I just made another $80. Oh my God, I just made another $60. You know, and then again here, oh my gosh, I was looking for $12 here because at this point I was up like 13.88 on the day profit, and then I took that last trade and I made like $70 off of that trade, and I was like, wow. So I was up $1,000 on the day, and then I was trying to make a couple bucks literally here and there, and ended up making up another almost $500 off of those small scalps. I was just very precise, very accurate, nailed the entries, got the exits perfectly, and so the profits added up. It was like, you know, I was up 1,000, and then it was 1,100, and then it was 1,200, and then it was like 1388, and then I was like, okay, 1388, might as well get 400, 1,400, and then it was 1,460, and so that's when I just stopped. I didn't think this would break out like this either way as well. I thought this was gonna chop around for the rest of the day, but it looks like it's trying to go on a nice little run now. Anyways, so first day of this week, $1,400. Hopefully I get another nice week. I think the last 2 weeks have been over 5K for both of them. So right now that's a good start so far. Still only 4 red days on the year, and it's been a heck of a year so far. So hopefully I can keep this up or keep pushing size. Appreciate you guys tuning in here. I'll try to figure out, probably not for this video since I gotta go soon, but I'll probably figure out how to link my actual live tradings, and so that way you guys can just click on it from this video. If you guys enjoy all of my videos, my recaps, my live streams, hit a thumbs up, leave some comments down below. And I've never asked for anything, but now I do have the memberships open. I don't know if I set it up right, so I have to double check it again. But if you guys want to support the channel, then you guys can become members of the channel and support it that way. Anyways, you guys have a good one. I'll see you guys tomorrow in the morning session.